Need to purchase vouchers? Let's start by going to the store. Here, you can see all the products available. Keep in mind that there is a limit of 3 items for your initial exam purchase. In this example, we'll buy 3 CNAMB vouchers. You can type the number or do it manually. Add them to your cart using the icon. Review the items and proceed to checkout. If paying with a credit card, enter your card information. If you are unable to pay with a card, there are other payment options listed on the checkout page. See our videos on those options for details. Once you've added all of your card information, submit to complete the purchase.